A local daycare is now being investigated for alleged child abuse.
The allegation surfaced after a Facebook post went viral of a parent claiming his child was harmed by workers.
As 41 Action News investigator Jessica McMaster discovered, this is not the first child abuse complaint against the daycare.
The allegations began to surface after a post was shared on social media that a father was outside a Blue Springs daycare holding a sign that apparently stated his child was being abused there.
The Department of Health and Senior Services says it's now investigating Creative World School, located off Highway 40. No other information is being released about that case. However, in November, DHS went to the daycare on a complaint and determined an employee was using physical punishment against the children. It states the worker would yank and pull on the children and also force the children's head down onto the mats during nap time. It also states that same employee would swear at the kids. Creative World School employees had to undergo 2 hours of training on appropriate discipline, but it's not known if the employee was ever removed from the center or if she's facing any criminal charges. We're waiting to hear back from police on that. Now, Creative World School actually owns several daycares across the country, including 5 right here in Missouri. And in our state, we found several lawsuits have also been filed against the company over the years, 5 of which were personal injury cases. Many of those settled out of court, so we could not pull the details. However, at least one lists a minor child as the plaintiff.
We reached out to the daycare in Blue Springs and was told there is a new director. However, they referred us to corporate for all other questions. We have yet to hear back. We're also working to learn more from the state as to why this facility is even allowed to stay open after the previous case of abuse was deemed credible. We'll be sure to get these questions answered and pass that information along to you. I'm investigator Jessica McMaster, 41 Action News.
Good work there, Jessica. Thank you. We did discover the state also cited Creative World back in June for not conducting background checks on several of its employees.